The northern lights, or Aurora Borealis, provide a visually stunning example of how Earth's magnetosphere interacts with charged particles from the sun. This natural light display can be intricately described and expanded upon using frequency wave theory, which delves into the interactions at the atomic and electromagnetic levels. The northern lights are primarily caused by the interaction between the Earth's magnetic field and charged particles, mostly electrons and protons, ejected from the sun, particularly during solar flares and coronal mass ejections. These particles are carried towards Earth by the solar wind and are funneled down toward the poles by Earth's magnetic field lines. When solar wind particles collide with Earth's magnetosphere, they can induce oscillations in the magnetic field. These oscillations occur as waves, Magnetohydrodynamic MHD waves, that propagate along the field lines. The frequency of these waves can affect the intensity and the color of the auroras. The charged particles from the sun spiral along the Earth's magnetic field lines due to the Lorentz force, gaining energy as they interact with magnetic and electric fields oscillating at natural frequencies. This interaction can be analyzed using frequency wave theory to understand how particles gain enough energy to excite atmospheric atoms and molecules when they eventually collide with them. As solar particles collide with atoms and molecules in Earth's atmosphere, they transfer energy to these atoms, exciting electrons to higher energy states. When the electrons return to their lower energy states, they emit light. This is what we see as the aurora. The frequency of the electromagnetic waves emitted during these transitions determines the color of the aurora. For instance, oxygen emits green and red light, while nitrogen can emit blue and purple light. The structure and dynamics of auroral forms can also be understood through wave theory. The waves in the magnetosphere can create field-aligned currents that enhance auroral brightness and shape the spatial forms of the aurora, such as arcs, bands, and curtains. The propagation of these electromagnetic waves through the ionosphere can be modeled to predict auroral activity. Resonance can occur when the frequency of magnetospheric waves matches the natural frequencies of oscillation of atmospheric gases. This resonance can amplify the energy transfer to the gases, thereby enhancing the auroral display. Understanding these resonant interactions can help in predicting the intensity and variation of aurora over time. By applying frequency wave theory to the study of the northern lights, scientists can gain a deeper understanding of the fundamental processes that drive this natural phenomenon. This theory not only aids in predicting when and how vividly the northern lights will appear, but also enhances our general understanding of planetary magnetospheres and space weather phenomena.